All right, so everybody's asking me how I made these videos with the camera from an angle behind the Camaro. Basically, I grabbed this suction cups that I had bought for a luggage rack that I was playing with on the car. They're made by Rock Brothers. I got them off of Amazon. I seen some videos on YouTube and Instagram, and thanks to a lot of the people that I've seen, like Zoomy, he used sea suckers. So these Rock Bros, they work pretty well. What I ended up doing was I took one of these off for my camera mount, and these things come with 4 screws. So I took out 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and on the underside, they come with these holes already pre-drilled, and then this one here is tapped for the mounts that they have. I actually came in and drilled a hole, made it a little bit bigger, and found me a self-tapping screw, just scrap that I had in the garage, and used this self-tapping screw that had the same thread, the 1/4 inch, I think it's a 1/4 20, that fits right into the bottom of the cameras, and it's your standard camera mount screw, right, for your tripods. So these are pretty freaking powerful. I can grab one of these, put it in here, this. There. So once it's on, sucker's on. This isn't going anywhere. So after I grabbed that, I bought some of these adapters, got them off of Amazon. Basically, what I needed was this. And then this piece here is from it's like an angle mount that I had from some lighting equipment that I had purchased a few years ago. And just by chance, this thing worked out perfect for me. So I grabbed these. I was able to, find this here. This screws right in to that 1/4 inch screw. I could then fit this piece right, screw this to make it tight. That sucker's solid. Okay, now the selfie stick I had gotten, this is Insta360 selfie stick, comes from, I got it off of Amazon. Same thing, so I grabbed this guy. This is part of the pieces one of the pieces that comes in this little baggie. So screw that in there. Same thing, fit it on the other end. And then selfie stick goes on. So that's pretty much it. That selfie stick right here, I have it loose, but you tighten it once it's on, once you're in the car. But what I like about this is that I can sit here and loosen this up and change the angle as I need for that shot, right? At the end of the whole thing, once it's all set up, take this off to make it. Once it's all set up, you can just extend the selfie stick out, and it's over. All right, this is pretty much it. This is the rig, and then my 360 camera, it goes right on at the end of it. So this will screw on right there. Once that's done, you're ready to shoot from behind. Now, one other thing that I did was I went online and did a little bit of research and found the size of the thread size for so I can get some front end shots. So I was able to mount this suction cup to my Anderson Composites hood, and it works just fine. I thought I wanted to get a little bit of a different angle. So one of the things I thought about was where the tow hook mounts at. So I was able to find these on Amazon. They came in pairs. So I bought this coupler, and I bought this that converted the thread count I think it's 5/8 11, now that I remember. So this 5/8 11 to 1/4 inch mount, and all I basically did was I came in and I screwed this piece on. That mounts on. Screwed this onto there. Okay, and at that point, this will go right into your tow hook. You put this into that tow, mount this into the tow hook, screw it all the way in, and now you can fit whatever you want in there. So for this here, same thing. I came in and I got one of these pieces, mounted it to there, and 360 camera. So this is a little shallow. It goes right in, but it doesn't, it's a little tight on the grill. So what I ended up doing is I had already bought this extender piece. Dang it, ain't coming out. So this extender piece, anyways, this extender piece here goes right in to this mount. So now I get the length, and it'll stick out of I don't know, about a foot and a half outside of the grill as I'm driving down the road. So it gets some pretty good, it's pretty fun angle. So I'll put out some footage in a second, and you'll see what it looks like, and we'll go from there. So I hope this is helpful for you. Again, this thing's solid, rock solid, and it's not going anywhere. So for what we're doing, I think it works well. I've gone, well over, pretty fast. I think I've stayed at 65, but it works well. So hope it helps you.